Hello, this is Slingshot Warrior, and I'm a likely unboxing. I found this at Walmart. This is a Crossman Shockwave. It's quiet. Its velocity is up to 950. It's 22 caliber pellets. Forget the oh yeah, it's 950 FPS. Pretty good. As you can see, this is an air rifle. So open this. All right. As you can see, this is the scope. Well, these are the attachments. I can attach the scope. The manual. The gun. Beginning of it, I'll have to assemble it. Looks very good. It's got a safety trigger. Pull it down here. I guess you load it from here. We'll attach the scope. More on this later. Bye.